is your basic landing and parkour roll. In anything, especially with obstacle course training, we're taking drops. In parkour, you're always taking drops. Even as an athlete, we're constantly landing and taking impact. If we screw this up, this is what can easily be the difference between landing a jump and tearing an ACL compared to landing a jump smoothly and being able to run after. So this is very important. So here's a quick demonstration of what the basic landing looks like. A beginner level, you're gonna jump up, land nice and controlled. Once you get more advanced, you're gonna be able to go ninja style with it, be able to take from impact, have no issues. Just taking that good landing there. And then after this, after we master that landing technique, part of the basic landing is getting the roll afterwards. So anytime we have forward momentum, if we trip, we fall, we're off balance, or we have a lot of momentum going forward, or if we're jumping from extreme height, this is when we want to incorporate the parkour roll. And this is how you can save your joints and a lot of damage by using this roll. So I'll just show you a quick demonstration off of here. I'm gonna jump. And you're off. The parkour move number 2 for beginners is the safety vault. Now, just like the name says, this is the safest vault, and in my opinion, one of the most versatile vaults you can use, especially for those of us going to obstacle course races, and especially if we haven't developed too much strength, very safe way to vault over obstacles. So I'll show you with this right here. This is basically what it's gonna look like. Up and over. And the key with this is you're able to use many points of contact, so you have a lot of control here. You can also use this safety vault to go into other moves. So I'll show you. If you're going off a high ledge, you don't know what's on the other side, you can use your safety vault to get up there very quickly. Someone's chasing you, you're able to assess the situation. Oh, it's really high, I can do my turn vault and go down. And then if I'm going up, it's just right there. The safety vault you can do pretty much everywhere. And you can see how useful that is. And just to show you the versatility of this, you can easily, once you get your ninja skills up to a higher level, you can turn your safety vault and easily switch it into a speed vault, so you get more speed and you get more clearance. Parkour beginner move number 3 is going to be your wall run. The wall run is very essential for if you're in a chase or you have to evade someone. Clearing over a wall is one of the easiest ways to divide space and to be able to escape. It's also very useful for obstacle course races. You always have those walls you have to climb over, and you never want it to be a struggle. This will help you just fly over those walls. So just to show you real quick, a very beginner version, find a wall, it's about your height. And what you're gonna do is hit off the wall and just hop over, using that wall run technique. And then, as we get better, we'll find another wall, we'll just go over there real quick, using the techniques where I learned, safety, basic landing. You can see all the movements there. Moving on from that, once you get your wall run down, you want to learn your turn vault. The turn vault is essential for if you need to escape a burning building, you need to drop down off the balcony, or if you have a date that you want to just bail on and you gotta escape off the balcony, this is the move you would learn. This is how you can safely escape or evade. So what you're gonna do is just turn over to the wall, drop down, form that basic landing. And then again, this is where we combine the safety as well, safety to turn vault. So if you're up on a high level, you see what's going on, realize you need to get down, turn, drop, safety. You can see all these movements will combine together to where you can be basically put in any situation and be able to escape or evade or overcome that obstacle. Beginner parkour move number 5 that you have to learn is your precision jump. And for this one, because I know some of you watching out there think it's just one of us. I mean, there's 2 of us actually that look the same. We're twins. And you might just think there's just one of us. So we're gonna switch here, do a little twin switcherooski here.
Oh snap, I look just like that dude.
He does.
I get to jump down in this video. We just switched up, we got a new mic. Who knows how it's gonna sound, so if there's some mic issues, don't worry, we test a new mic, but it allows us to switch back and forth. So we'll probably try to do more of this. But yeah, the last one we wanna do is that precision, because anytime you're doing an obstacle course, there's gonna be times where you need to have good balance and precision, meaning you need to land on a specific point or either when you're running or doing jumps. So for example, if this was a little gap right here and I need to land right here and stick it, this is the precision jump. Where we're jumping, we're landing, we're sticking, and we can move from here. Or we can do a stride. So for instance, if I need to step on this point, land on this, but keep running, and so maybe even precision to this one, this is where the stride precision comes in. So we can run, we can land here, 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 and keep it going, and keep that speed going. So we can do precisions for a lot of different things. We're here, jump here, we're here. Wow, we can run, get here, and then like this jump. I was thinking about doing it, but then when I got up here, I can assess that right now because I haven't warmed up properly, and this is a pretty far jump. I can't do this safely right now, and that's one of the great things about training your precisions, is once you've trained it, you really understand how far you can jump, so you can assess a jump and say, okay, I probably shouldn't do this, or okay, yeah, I can make this. And then you can change the move based on what the distance is. That was the last move. We're gonna switch back, so Tom's gonna finish it off. But
all right, so those are the 5 essential moves, and why they're so essential, I just want to reiterate this, is those moves right there, you can pretty much tackle any obstacle. So even this, you're running up, you can do safety here, turn vault, safely go down, safety up, turn vault, drop down, wall run. Then you got your precision, basic landing, and then you can just hop up. You need to roll, drop, basic landing again. So you can see how beneficial all these moves are. Basically, you learn those 5 and you master them, you are pretty much set for parkour or your obstacle course training. So I might try to do that precision too.
yeah, look, I just wasn't warmed up enough.